Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a column wipe effect, and this is what the column wipe effect looks like. So you can see towering columns that will slide past the individuals, more like a transition column. So this is how to create it. The first thing you have to go is to go to this higgsfield.ai. So once you on this website, just click on the visual effects section here. Now the next step will be for you to click on the column wipe here. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to a page like this. You can select any of them or just create your own by clicking on the generate. From the generate section, you can only upload your picture, then describe the prompt you want to use. You want to see your video effects, and you can choose the model here from any of these models here. Now there are three free ones: the 1.2, the Minimax, and Higgsfield. But if you have more cash, you can go for the premium one, and you can go, if you want audio, you can go for the Google VO3 on this website. So after that, you can just click on generate and watch your video. Make your video generates within a few seconds or minutes. So after some time, you can just click. Once your video is rendered, you see it in this area, just like you can see this one here. So after generation, you can now download it to your system and use it for whatever you want to use it, your video project and the likes. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow our subscriber base. Thank you very much guys.